Hi guys, today we are going to build the flower. So first you need one triangle in the middle, and then you need 9 squares. One, two, three, and put them like this. And like this. And like this. Okay. Then you need 3 triangles. You put them there, there. Then you have to pull the top. So we're making the stem right now. So obviously these don't have to be the same color. And now we're going to build the actual flower. So put the stem aside. And so we need 4 triangles. And you put them like this. Then you put them up. Then you need 4 squares. Okay. And you put them 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you need 4 triangles. Okay. Or you put them there. Then you're going to pull this up. Now we're going to get the stem back. And get the flower. And you need this part in front. I'm going to lift the flower. How will you put it there? So this is the flower, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.